Welcome to day 1 of the Aussie English Challenge. Today you will listen to 2 minutes of Aussie English. You need to repeat at least 3 words. If you can make it 5, even better. G'day everyone. Happy New Year. It is the 1st of January today. I'm wondering, what do you do on the 31st of December? And then what do you do on New Year's Day? The 1st of January is New Year's Day. What I like to do is on the 31st of December, I like to take it easy. Nothing too fancy. I keep it simple. And then on January 1st, it means that I can get up early and do some sort of exercise. So for me, I like to start the year doing something like going for a hike or going for a ride on the bike or going someplace to swim. I would prefer on New Year's Day to start the year off with something special, maybe even a picnic lunch somewhere. I would prefer to do that than if I was to stay up late on the 31st. And then it would mean if I stayed up late on the last day of the year, then I would be starting off the new year really tired. Do you make any New Year's resolutions? This year, I want to be consistent and have a go. What will you do?